So what is up, guys? It is your boy, my name is Idris, with a very special video. Today we're going to be unboxing the off-white Nike Mercurial Vapor 360. And this is just going to be an unboxing video. This is going to be pretty unorthodox. I'm going to try to make it uncut as much as possible because I'm going to make an in-depth review video with all the proper editing because I want to get this video out as soon as possible. Now, I've been waiting for this shoe for a long time. I don't know how I got it. It actually sold out within the first minute, and it costed about $300 but already it's having very high resales. Now, as you can see, the box looks pretty cool, and then there's a wrapping paper with unique off-white print having the quotes of each word, such as wrapping paper, box, and has a lot of circles in it too. And there you are. See, I can't even speak. I'm just like so excited for this. There it is in all its glory. I'm just gonna bring the camera up to show you guys the shoe, and it's absolutely amazing. I mean, it looks even better in person. It doesn't look exactly like the original Mercurial 360. It has a lot of different features. The Nike logo is placed differently. But there's a lot of stuff that's like I don't know, a lot of details that just this video cannot do it enough justice to show you guys how well made this shoe is. And all right, can you focus? No, yes, no, yes, no. All right, okay, so I switched to the different shot angle so you guys can see what it says exactly. But that doesn't really matter because I'm going to be making a review video, like I said. And in the bottom compared to the normal Nike Mercurials, it doesn't look as cool, but still it has the fast AF in quotes. I'm just showing you what the shoe looks like at first glance. And it just, I don't know, I don't really have that much to say because I just kind of want to show you guys what it looks like. And of course, on the shoelaces, it has the shoelaces in quotes, knowing that this is in fact an off-white product. And lastly, every cleat has a boot bag or cleat bag to bring your cleats and everything. I don't think a lot of people will be using this shoe as actually playing it on the field because this is a very expensive shoe. It's meant for more of a collector's type of thing, or if you're an actual soccer athlete, you'll be most likely to be able to afford and wear this shoe. But this shoe cleat I should say, came in limited quantity. And in the bag right here, you see extra shoelaces. I thought they kind of gave me some goodies, but I mean, shoelaces, those are pretty cool. They all have the off-white branding on it. And yeah, so guys, stay tuned later this week, or maybe even today or tomorrow, for my in-depth review of these off-white shoes. It's been your boy, my name is Idris. Peace.